Carey picks up our coverage from Lake Worth, where a judge has ordered a search at the home where Zachary Cruz was living. Carey, what do we know?
Well, at this point, we have not seen any evidence of a search here at the mobile home community where Cruz was living. This is the Lantana Cascade community here along Congress Avenue. Now, we are told that if there is a search, it would likely be coordinated between the Broward Sheriff's Office and the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. Of course, Zachary Cruz appeared in court today. We learned a lot of new details about the time he and his older brother Nikolas spent living here with a friend of their mother's, a woman named Roxanne Deschamps. She cared for the two boys after the boys' mother, Linda Cruz, died in 2017. Deschamps told her story for the first time today in New York, alongside well-known attorney Gloria Allred. Now, we have been trying to speak with Roxanne Deschamps for the last several weeks. We've been unable to speak to her, including after the court hearing for Nikolas Cruz last week. But of course, today she showed up in New York to tell her story. Deschamps spoke mostly about her troubles with Nikolas Cruz, her desire to keep guns out of her home, and Nikolas's penchant to own weapons. She also spoke about her efforts to inform police and deputies about her concerns over Nikolas's behavior.
I told him that it was going to be the gun or us. He had to choose. He could not have both. He chose the gun. I did everything I could to warn law enforcement about that could happen. I wanted to protect not only my children, but also everyone else who might be at risk of being armed. I also wanted to protect Nikolas from himself.
Now, the Broward Sheriff's Office is concerned about Nikolas's brother Zachary having a weapon. In fact, late today in court, the Broward Sheriff's Office filed something known as a red flag law against Zachary Cruz. They're saying that if Zachary Cruz gets out of jail on bond, they want him to be prevented from owning or possessing a weapon for a period of time that a judge determines. Again, this is something that BSO filed late today. This is part of that school safety law that Governor Rick Scott signed into law just a couple of weeks ago after the deadly shooting at Stoneman Douglas. Live in Lantana, Carey, CBS 4 News.